Hello and welcome back. Today, a major legal and political battle is unfolding in the United States, as President Donald Trump attempts to use a 227-year-old wartime law to deport immigrants. The Alien Enemies Act of 1798, a law designed for use during times of war, has been invoked by Trump to deport 5 Venezuelan nationals accused of being members of the Tren de Aragua gang group. His administration has labeled a foreign terrorist organization. Trump claims these individuals pose a direct threat to the U.S., accusing the gang of conducting irregular warfare on American soil. But here's the controversy. The U.S. is not at war with Venezuela. And critics argue that using this law during peacetime is a dangerous overreach of presidential power. Civil rights organizations, including the ACLU and Democracy Forward, have stepped in, filing a lawsuit to block the deportations. They argue that the Alien Enemies Act has only been used during declared wars, such as the War of 1812 and the World Wars, and that invoking it now is both unlawful and unconstitutional. Just hours after the lawsuit was filed, a federal judge issued a temporary restraining order, halting the deportations for 14 days. Judge James Boasberg stated that the order was necessary to maintain the status quo while the case is reviewed. This decision is a critical pause, but the legal battle is far from over. This case has sparked widespread concern. Critics warn that using the Alien Enemies Act in this way could set a dangerous precedent, allowing future leaders to bypass immigration laws and due process protections. The law itself has a dark history. It was used during World War II to detain thousands of Japanese, German, and Italian Americans, many of whom were innocent. Civil rights advocates are asking, are we heading down that same path again? Trump, however, is standing firm. For years, he has framed migration as an invasion and has used this rhetoric to justify extreme measures. But opponents argue this is less about national security and more about fear about labeling immigrants as enemies to push a political agenda. This is a developing story, and the stakes couldn't be higher. It's not just about these 5 individuals. It's about the future of immigration policy, civil liberties, and the limits of executive power in the United States. If you want to stay informed on this and other critical stories, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the issues that matter most. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and share this video to keep the conversation going. Together, we can shine a light on the truth and hold those in power accountable. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on this breaking story.